2 cans of our diced potatoes cooked, 1 onion that I diced up, a couple stalks of celery diced, right there with our potatoes. Yum. Now I'm gonna bring over my little cheese grater and we're gonna set this up so that it will grate right into our pan. Lock that in. And we're gonna use this untraditionally because I'm gonna put my hard-boiled eggs in my cheese grater. And this will help us get the perfect consistency for our potato egg salad. Yep, you heard that right. So we're gonna just get a couple of our hard-boiled eggs nice and chopped up and ready for this delicious summer classic. Oh yeah. All right, so we ended up using a whole dozen eggs for our dish. Make sure it gets all in our pan. We can move that to the side now. Now I'm coming in with my mayo and we're gonna add about 2 cups of mayo right into our pan with our eggs, our onion, our celery, and our potatoes. So I did microwave those potatoes so they are fully cooked, but you can do however you like your potatoes. I think that the canned ones are just so convenient because they're already diced. Now I'm coming in with my yellow mustard and we're gonna do a nice little drizzle of mustard on our entire dish. You can add as much or as little as you like. Delicious. Now I have some dill relish. It's important that you use dill relish and we're gonna kind of just put that right in the middle. Just like with the mustard, add as little or as much as you like. I love a nice tang, so that's why I added that much. And to combat that tang, I am gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, probably just like a cap full, because we don't need too much, but this will add some great flavor. Now I know we have that dill relish, but we're also gonna add some baby dill, some fresh dill. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our dill and kind of just chop it right on top of our entire platter. This is just a 13x9 like lasagna aluminum pan. I love using these because I'm taking this to a potluck and this way I can just serve it in the dish that I'm creating it in, but you can mix this in a bowl. I always say that, but I just like to do it this way because it's easier for me and less dishes. So you do you and I'll do me. Now, while we have our scissors out, I'm gonna grab my green onion and just like with the dill, I am going to just cut this right into our dish. You can add as much or as little as you like. All of these proportions, you kind of just eyeball it. That's the fun of this. You can't really mess it up because these are classic flavors that, you know, go so perfectly together that the proportions can be whatever your heart desires.
It smells delicious.
I love green onion. Oh. All right, now the only thing this is missing is, of course, some seasoning. We are gonna add some black pepper, freshly grated. Oh yeah, and with the seasonings, you can really show your style. You can add whatever seasoning you like. I think you guys can probably guess what I'm using because I use the same seasonings on everything. And then I have some salt. Beautiful. You always gotta add salt when you're cooking potatoes. I have some onion powder. We'll just complement those fresh onions, those green onions. I know that might seem like a lot of onion to some people, but this is the perfect amount for me. This is for the onion lovers. Now I have some garlic powder. Surprise, surprise. You guys all knew that one was coming. And we're just adding as much as we want. Now, the main seasoning that I'm gonna use is my Slap Your Mama seasoning. I did want to use the Creole seasoning, but I guess we ran out, so I'm just making do with what I have. And we're gonna add a generous amount of this on here because this is gonna really pack some flavor. All right, that looks good enough to me. It is time to get this all mixed together. Oh my goodness. And as you mix this, if you feel like it's a little dry, you can add some more mayo, you can add some more mustard, you can add some more relish, whatever you like. Kind of just eyeball it and make it to the perfect consistency for you and your family. Okay, that looks absolutely perfect, and I didn't have to add any extra stuff to this. All right, now this is best served cold, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a couple hours. All right, it is time to give this a try. Oh, cannot wait. I have my little ladle here. We're just gonna scoop are serving right in our little ramekin. Oh my gosh, potato egg salad. You gotta try this.
Is it good?
That is so good. Wow, wow. You guys are really, really gonna like this.